You talked about being in the Marines. One of the things that you liked about that was that you was going to be able to save people's lives, right?
Yes, sir.
That's one of the parallels that I see within our business too. That's what attracts me to the auto repairs. I honestly feel like that we get to save people's lives every single day, from whether it be in a vehicle that's got unsafe mechanical parts on it, and we're able to make the customer aware of it and handle those repairs for them.
Yes, sir.
A tire with wires showing, or whether it's somebody on the side of the road that's actually broke down. It's just been so many times that we've literally been able to save the day. Like I'm thinking about the call we went on last night, right? Where
Yes, sir.
Where we roll up, these people have a blowed out tire, and they have this little bitty girl in the back seat that's like 6 years old, right? And his mother's with them, and she was probably not in good enough shape to get up in the tow truck as well either. And of course, because of the logistics on that one, I took a second vehicle, right? So, but we made their day, right? We got them home safe, which was the ultimate.
Got them home safe, their car home safe.
They never planned on being broke down. It's not supposed to happen, right? But when it does happen, we just need to help it be as smooth and as peaceful and as easy as a process as possible.